with 100% fish fillet. Delicious fish fingers, baked, not fried. For certified Sunturbo seafood at AMC. For producer, MSC. For calories funded by Birdseye Forever Food. And with 11% less fat. At Birdseye, delicious, tasty drinks of soft bill Starbucks cups. New Birdseye 10 cod fish fingers made with 100% fish fillet. It's new, only for Birdseye.
Birdseye presents
We'll show you the link
a new way to contact for summer every day with Birdseye. With fish fingers always baked, not fried. Always a good baked fish fingers. And now, we're in the Pringles potato chips with a very growing prawn cocktail flavour. Very good remembrance.
Record goal scorer Ellen White.
Ellen, I bought you some Christmas presents.
Here's Santa. Thank you.
So I thought, obviously there's so many cliches of Christmas, but I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. I had to come bring you some presents.
Thank you.
Couldn't be with the most famous.
Get Pringles only at Birdseye.
There's probably someone on that. What do you think?
Birdseye presents. There is new Birdseye fish fingers with 100% with always had a lovely own fillet. New Birdseye 10 cod fish fingers made with 100% fish fillet of a very lovely good cod fillet fish fingers.
70 to 100 caps was amazing. There's not a lot of people that have achieved that, and it's really hard to get caps for England and to score goals for England. And
Birdseye delicious fish fingers are baked, not fried. For calories funded by Birdseye Forever Food. And with 11% less saturated fat and delicious, tasty fish fingers. And roll out your best to get all the things done with Pringles prawn cocktail flavor potato chips from Frito-Lay.
Did you know before the game the record's possible? Today might be the day it gets broken.
And today is going to be a day of Pringles. Here it is. There comes to Birdseye.
Perfect fish fingers that doesn't let you out. Try new Birdseye 10 fish fingers made with 100% cod fillet. Delicious, tasty from Birdseye. It's delicious, chewy treat with Birdseye's delicious cod fillet with and with 11% less saturated fat than delicious fish fingers.
Thank you very much for joining us on Breakfast. Tell me, what do you think is the biggest issue here?
Produced for AMC, for MSC, for Foods, and Birdseye Forever Food funded Birdseye. Thanks for Birdseye delicious filling. Now there are Starbucks cups too. Every day Birdseye gets in much fish fingers. Hang on. This is why Birdseye gets more drinks at Birdseye. Cheers! New Birdseye 10 fish fingers made from 100% cod fillet. It's new, only for Birdseye.
If you want a perfect fish fingers that let you sleep through it over a long time ago, try new Birdseye 16 fish fingers made with 100% fish fillet and cod fillet. Omega-3 of them with natural extra omega-3. With an awfully goes a lot of rock over there, so you don't want to break your mirror. And presented by MSC or AMC, produced for Foods. And produced funded by Birdseye Forever Food every day at Birdseye every single day. Birdseye always gets some fish fingers. And get it, Pringles potato chips. Only a Birdseye. Who even it is. Whatever that is.
Well, look, it made us smile. So that was from this time last year. It has been
New Birdseye 60 fish fingers. Made with 100% filler and omega 3. It's new. Only from Birdseye. If you want a perfect fish fingers that never get you well, new Birdseye 10 fish fingers with a 100% fish fillet with omega 3. See, you don't want to miss out for fish fingers for dinner tonight. When you miss out for fish fingers, you don't have to kick the TV. Every time. For calories for Thunder by MSC, which is producer AMC for MSC for food fillet, and producer products funded by Birdseye Forever Food, which produced all of them for food for guaranteed for free. And guess whose white is over then? It's Pringles potato chips. After 5,000 several years of business. He thinks always had a lovely potato chips around South Africa since the 1300s. Actually, just joking, sorry. From the American snack company was Pringles. New Birdseye 10 fish fingers with omega 3. Good for your brain and body. Only from Birdseye!